Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Dad. Yes, I slept great.
That's good to hear. Ready for breakfast?
I think so. What are you cooking?
Pancakes, your favorite.
Yeah, can I help?
Sure. Can you grab the milk from the fridge?
Got it. Anything else?
Mix the flour and eggs, please.
It smells so good already.
You're a great helper.
Thanks, Dad. I love cooking with you.
Cooking together makes mornings better.
Totally. I'm hungry now.
Breakfast is almost ready.
Can we add honey on top?
Of course. Honey and strawberries.
Perfect combo.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
I can't wait.
How's the pancake?
Delicious. You're the best cook.
Thank you. The secret is love.
And lots of honey.
You caught me.
Do we have any plans today?
Piano class first, then maybe a walk.
Can we go to the park later?
Sure, the weather looks perfect.
Yay! Can I take my scooter?
Yes, but wear your helmet.
I will, promise.
You always say that.
This time, I mean it.
Okay, I trust you.
I love weekends.
Me too. No rush, no stress.
Just pancakes and fun.
That's the spirit.
Are you ready for your piano class?
Almost. I can't find my book.
Check under your bed.
Oh, found it.
Good job. Shoes on, please.
Okay.
Don't forget your jacket.
But it's warm outside.
Still, you might need it later.
You always say that.
And I'm usually right.
True.
Ready now?
Yes, let's go.
Wait, did you brush your teeth?
Maybe.
Go check.
Fine. Be right back.
I'll wait in the car.
Coming. Can we listen to music?
Sure, what song?
Happy day.
Great choice.
Turn it up, please.
Okay, but not too loud.
Just a little louder.
You love this song.
It makes me dance.
Seatbelt first.
Done. Safety first.
That's my girl.
How long till we get there?
10 minutes.
Can I tell you a joke?
Sure.
What's orange and sounds like a parrot?
I don't know.
A carrot!
Good one.
You always laugh.
Don't be nervous.
I'm not. I practiced a lot.
I know you did.
My teacher will be proud.
Absolutely.
Thanks for bringing me.
Always. Go shine.
See you later.
Have fun. Time flies when she's learning.
Dad, I'm done.
How was it?
Amazing! My teacher smiled the whole time.
You're getting better every week.
I love piano now.
Music makes people happy.
Just like pancakes. Time flies when she's learning.
Watch out for that rock.
Got it.
You're fast.
I'm the scooter queen.
I believe you.
Can we feed the ducks?
Here's some bread.
They're so cute.
Careful, they might chase you.
I can run faster.
You're full of energy today.
It's because I'm happy.
Happiness is the best fuel.
Let's take a picture.
Smile.
Cheese.
Perfect memory.
Can we come again tomorrow?
We'll see. What do we need?
Ice cream.
For dinner?
Why not? Then apples?
Better choice. Nice try.
And cookies?
Maybe.
You're soft today.
Only on weekends.
Can I push the cart?
Okay, slowly.
Oops, sorry.
Careful.
I didn't hit anyone.
Yet.
Funny, Dad.
Let's pay and go home.
I'll unpack the groceries.
Thanks, sweetie.
Ice cream goes in the freezer, right?
Yes, before it melts.
Done.
You're fast.
What now? Maybe a movie night.
Yay!
Choose the movie.
The Secret Garden?
Good choice.
I'll make popcorn.
Perfect. I'll get the blanket.
Cozy time.
My favorite part of the day.
Me too.
Is it too loud?
No, it's perfect.
This part is funny.
Yes.
Want more popcorn?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Did you like this movie?
I loved it.
Simple stories are the best.
Like our date today.
Exactly.
I wish every day was like this.
Maybe it can be,
You think so?
if we make time for it.
Deal.
Time for bed.
Already?
It's late, little star.
Just 5 more minutes?
Okay, 5.
I love you, Dad.
Love you too, sweetie.
Today was the best.
I agree.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
See you in the morning.